TNT means tita na tita. I
Oh
feel
my
so
God! I get it.
I feel old.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Pero I mean, like, I love it, but like, as in, I watch it as an observer of a culture I cannot understand.
One, two, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong! This is Chancy.
Hi, this is Monica.
Hello, my name is Pia, and we are One to Sarang. Hello, hello!
Hello, hello.
Annyeong, everyone.
So today, as of recording, it's a very exciting day because Cortez just dropped their latest MV off their latest mini album EP, which is Green Green. So, oras na, didiretsuhin na namin to para panoorin yung MV nila, which is TNT, and react to it. So, let's see ya!
Cool.
Let's
cool,
go.
Cool.
Oh, yan. Yay. Mga bata.
Fish Islands.
방구석 매일 밤 다시 철부지 스튜디오에 컴퓨터 아껴는 DNA 내 신경이 뺏는 밤 마치 TNT Pop out CO2에 불을 켜 When I pop out 거기 까닥거리 verse 빛을 받아
Zombie.
Zombie rap.
Correct. Dongyo ba ito ulit?
Or jump.
Correct. Oo nga. Jump yung vibe.
Wow!
Ouch.
Pastan.
Wow, ouch. Yun ang
Sadya
reaction.
or ano? Ingatan niyo yung mukha.
I'm about to TNT 공항 열어 take your move 공항 열어 take your move 3, 2, 1 이제 거의 미사일 애와 LA talking para
This is, you know what this is reminding me of? Like, you know those British films before? Na
Train
mga,
spotting.
mga train spotting type. Mga ganyan. Slash 28 days later.
Correct. Oo.
This is fun. Saan to sa Seoul? Parang ang ganda naman ng location. Ouch. Oh.
Okay.
That's short.
Ah,
Oh,
wait,
meron pa.
Parang ending.
That's weird because we did listen to the album, and then the album, it wasn't less than 2 minutes, was it? Parang 2 minutes 15 naman or something yung song. Pero yung MV is less than 2 minutes.
No, it's 2:02 sa album.
The song.
Yes. So it's really that short.
Okay.
Ang haba ng credits though. I mean, ang haba pa ng listahan.
Ang dami kasi
Because I saw that there were 500 extras to run.
I see it.
Correct.
Ayun know, may day 1, day 2,
Correct.
day 3. Oh, day 4. Holy shit.
28 days to lahat.
Aabot ba
As a
tayo sa
28
day
days
6? Ay, walang day 6.
Pag sa day 6 ba, kasama ba ang day 6?
Cute yun. Cool.
So that is the single of Green Green called TNT. What are your reactions? What do you girls think?
TNT means tita na tita. I
Oh
feel
my
so
God! I get it.
I feel old.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Pero I mean, like, I love it, but like, as in, I watch it as an observer of a culture I cannot understand. Oh, parang ganun yung vibe. But I mean, like, aside from that, I mean, I enjoy it, but I know it's not for me. Parang ganun. Ang ganda, nakakatuwa. Parang it's very, very different. And I think I mean, pasok sa banga, sa Cortez, alam mo yon, parang like, from the get-go naman, we've seen like how parang sobrang fine-tuned ng branding nila eh. And this is just like an extension of that. So, yung authenticity nandun, yung thinking out of the box nandun, like setting themselves apart from the rest of K-pop. Kitang-kita mo from this music video. And sobrang, thumbs up.
My tita na tita version naman is more of like, I've seen this before. Kaya ako nga nahirit yung
Correct.
Trainspotting, 28 Days Later.
Medyo Oasis din siya.
Oasis.
Oo nga,
Diba?
parang
May
Oasis
ganon.
din yung
Even
nakuha
yung
ko
mga
eh.
fish eye, ganon.
Yeah, well, they call it 0.5 now, I guess.
Okay.
Parang more of like, dahil napagdaanan ko na siya back when I was still within that youth bracket.
Oo.
Wow.
Correct.
So this does not feel new to me, but I know it's new to them. But the fact that I know that I feel like it's not new anymore. Yeah, I mean it's fun. It's fun, of course, seeing the boys having fun. And I can imagine, like I'm glad naman that the generation now is having this kind of moment. Because I remember when I was going through that period nga, that era nga, na
Yeah.
like the British content that we had. There's this favorite show that I used to love. Tas nandun si About a Boy guy. Skins! My God.
Oo.
May ganong vibes din siya.
Oo,
Parang
ang
ganon.
euphoria nung panahon natin.
Oo, yeah. Mismo! Oh my God. But I loved Skins so much. Like, I would die on a hill for that show. Parang ganon levels. So, thinking lang na, this generation, they have like stuff by Cortez na I'm hoping, I'm guessing that emotions are escalated a certain way because of what they see. Like, I'm glad they have it also. Parang ganon. Hence, TNT, tita na tita. Napaka-tita na tita comment nun.
Tita na tita, point of view. No?
Yeah.
Well, this is their second MV
Yeah.
off of this album, and parang from Red Red also coming to this, parang for me obviously their branding nga is color outside the lines, and they're about breaking norms and breaking the stereotypes and all that. And what I love about what they've been giving us so far is that they're so anti-K-pop in the sense that there are no pretty shots, there are no poggy shots, there's no shot dancing. They're just really creating kung ano ba yung feeling nila. Pero hindi ko pa rin naintindihan yung ibig sabihin ng song sa pagtakbo nila.
Ano ba yung sabihin ng TNT?
Wala siyang, hindi ko na-gets kung ano yung connection. Pero parang at the end of the day, parang, you know what? Parang ganyan tama. Sa mga film class, bibigyan kayo ng kanta o shoot an MV. Sabihin sa inyo ng professor. Tapos gagawin nata sila yung mga A student sa class na yon, ganon. So,
Correct. Kasi raw yung atake.
Correct, raw yung atake.
Oo.
Very authentic.
Raw, pero parang put together, na parang feeling mo, yung saktong yung mga experimental films na pinapapanood sa amin dati na hindi ko maintindihan. Pero parang, alam ko maganda yun pero di ko gets.
Correct.
Parang ganun siguro.
Pero dahil may
Daming mga
kaklase
ganun.
kang mukhang nagigets niya, parang ayaw mo ipalabas na hindi mo nagigets.
Pero thankfully,
pero
lagi
gets
kong
ba niya?
seatmate si Ella Palileo, our good friend Ella. And we're both like, gets mo ba?
Buti may ganyan.
nangyari?
Ako wala Kaya tinatago ko lang lahat. Yeah.
Kailan mo panggap?
Ganun.
Bakit mo hindi kami tinabihan ni Ella? Doon ka nagkamali.
Nakakatuwa, parang meron talagang freneticness yung mga music videos nila. No,
Yeah.
parang pag pinapanood ko sila, kahit na yung tempo nung song, hindi naman ganun kabilis. Parang yung puso ko bumibilis. Parang like, it seems like they're always running and the shots are always fast. Alam mo yun, parang may ganun. So I'm like just thinking like, ano ba tumatakbo sa mga utak ng mga batang to? Like why is there so much speed? Like why is the reality presented in light speed? Parang ganun. Kasi like everything else ganun, parang pag ganun-ganun na sobrang bilis, hindi siya smooth So parang like, interesting lang na another tita na tita moment is, ano bang tumatakbo sa mga utak nila ngayon? Ng mga kabataan.
I think it might be because of their generation and, everything is like,
Fast.
aminado naman
ganon.
silang addicted sila sa social media, doom scrolling, going from one to the next. So that could be a reflection of that world and that's how they interpret things. Thinking out loud lang.
Correct.
Yeah. Or in general, just them being still, having so much energy for life.
Kasi tayo, hindi na natin kaya yung ganun kabilis. Wala nang takbuhan na nangyayari sa mundo.
Feeling ko naman may energy pa
More of
naman
nakarelate tayo dun sa yung gumulong. Parang, oh no!
Oo, diba? I kept on saying, ouch. Pag may
Oo.
tumatama sa camera, ganon.
correct.
Nahulog sa stairs, parang aray, ganon. Pero,
Sana may health insurance
diba?
ka, kuya.
And it's good. Actually, if anything, ang saya nga na pinapakita nila yung ganitong side of like, youth, I guess.
Correct.
And just because what they're showing is that they're out there, not within
Mm.
social media. I mean, them not performing like in a dance. Kumbaga parang, hindi siya performative. It's just them, that's their way of hanging out / having fun /
Yeah.
True.
dealing with the world. Like,
Yeah.
that's, I prefer that, I guess, kaysa sa fluff. Pag yung usual K-pop na, kunyari, very, very eccentric, CG,
Over the
CG
top.
heavy kind of
Mm-mm.
treatment. I mean, of
Yeah.
course, they can be fun and beautiful, but it's all like make-believe if you think about it.
Oo.
But
Mm.
them showing like being on the streets, like, you know, it's nice to be out there
With a zombie horde.
with a zombie horde.
Mm.
Why not? Hindi ba kayo nagda-dream na maki-run away from a zombie horde?
Oh my
I always
God.
think of that before.
Dream?
I had
Yeah.
Like, as in, oh my God, I want to do that someday. Ganon?
Yeah, or more
to be
of
part
like,
of a zombie horde as a zombie or to escape
or running
a zombie
away
horde?
from a horde. More of
Why?
like yung thought process ko is, will I survive? Or how long will I last? Parang ganon. Like,
I
it's like a survivalist thinking, I guess.
I never thought about those things.
Parang ako kasi nandun na ako sa point na
Why?
parang I might not survive.
I'm not a fast runner.
Oo,
I already
yun
know
nga
that.
eh.
I'm very agile though. Pero
Yeah,
hindi
yeah.
ako fast.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
parang talo na ako. And also,
Same.
why? I'd
Same.
rather occupy my head with like hot guys. Ganun yung mga iniisip ko. Ako
What?
mag-isip ng zombies.
What if they're hot zombies?
Okay, so I guess it's time for us to take a look at this MV again. Try to understand what really TNT means and sympathize again for the 500 people who had to run with them. Hi, Pogi.
Yun din, no?
Mahalaga.
Mahalaga. Pogi na lahat yun. Si Martin talaga yung parang, sir.
Yung
Nakakatawa
parang,
yung
Si
Martin.
Martin yung parang, I mean, like, nung una ko siya nakita, nung kakadebut pa lang niya as a young man. Parang like, tangkad. Pero ngayon parang,
you know why? I really feel like the debut styling did him dirty.
Oo.
Because in this
Yeah,
comeback,
I agree.
with the longer hair
Yeah.
and the
Yeah.
sobrang
Yeah.
yes, Martin.
Correct.
Talaga, parang, ganun talaga yun.
Pero
Diba?
gusto ko lang sabihin din na nakakatawa yung first shot na yun kasi camera panning parang ganun agad.
Oo.
Hindi kinaya na isang malinis lang.
Siya pa naman yung sa forefront. So,
Oo.
kailangan talaga iangat.
Wala tayong mga pang-apple box.
Correct.
ganun.
Correct.
Okay.
16, still just clueless kids. 5 rats in a room every night.
Pogi, oh. Ayan na.
What?
Sabi ko, ang pogi nun.
Parkour!
So TNT is literally an explosion.
Oo, correct. Oo.
That's also what they mean here.
Yeah.
Pumping up.
Correct. Sorry, stop.
Juhoon.
Oo. Parang nakakatawa kasi there's this guy on YouTube. I think, siguro we'll put the link na lang in the caption. Pero like, he does a lot of like, commentary on K-pop. Kasi editor siya. So, he did like a commentary of Red Red. Tapos, tuwang-tuwa siya doon kasi parang, yun nga, specifically because of those shots na parang nakadikit yung camera sa mukha nila or nakadikit yung camera sa mga bagay. So,
Yeah.
kumbaga POV ng ganun. So, it's just such an absurd shot.
Yeah.
And it really works for them and what they're trying
Yeah.
to show. Parang ganun.
I think it's starting to become like their signature. They did that with that
Exactly.
Coke can music
Correct.
video.
Oo nga, from
Exactly.
the
For
get-go.
Lullaby.
Yeah.
Oo.
And also, like, the thing is also, parang, it was so clear to their generation because I watched Red Red with my daughter.
Oo.
Shameless plug, we also have an MV reaction. Please check it out. Ililink ko rin sa baba. Because the shot na parang, yun nga, parang they were eating samgyeopsal, tas may shot na nasa ilalim.
Oo.
So, parang, ako lang, parang, okay, cool. Parang nasa ilalim. Sabi niya, oh no, they're eating us. Parang ganun yung effect sa anak ko. Parang, kasi para sa akin, parang experimental lang.
Correct.
Pero sa kanya, parang may ganong meaning. So, parang merong ganun silang nagkakaintindihan yung mga bagay.
Parang may
So,
visual
with that in
language
mind,
sila.
Oo.
Anong
Ano
ibig
ba,
sabihin
babe?
nito na nakikita lang natin yung isang mata, yung profile mata ni Juhoon?
Ang dating sa akin kasi parang since nga crowded sila, that kind of intensifies the feeling of being surrounded. Yung ganun ka-close yung camera sa'yo. So parang, yun yung na-feel ko na parang na-overrun ako by this mob.
Gets. No eating. Okay.
Oo.
No
eat-
So,
no eating.
so film
Mas
film
feeling.
school comment pa rin siya.
Oo nga. Actually,
Ay, so,
eto na.
sorry, doon pa tayo sa Gen Z
Andun
comment.
pa rin tayo
So,
eh.
I'll put my Gen Z hat on. Ano bang Gen Z hat? Wala Gen Z hat. What does it look like? Anyway, go. Ayan na yung mama na nahulog. Kawawa
Puro
naman.
lalaki sila, no?
May mga
Sabagay.
babae.
Actually,
Meron ba?
baka
Oo,
later.
may mga ilan lang. Ay, gusto ko yun, yung sumasabog na
Yun yung
popcorn.
Yung popcorn.
Yung
Oo.
snack nila. Yung
That
nasa
school
ano.
is always there? Or is it like a different school? Parang this school, or are all Korean schools the same?
Look similar.
Oo, di ba?
I think
Parang
they all
yun.
look
Oo.
similar.
No?
Like, there's always that, you see that, the one in the ilalim, yung usually dyan nila tinatago yung gym equipment.
Correct!
Yung door na yan.
Oo nga.
Correct,
Or ano,
ayun.
or
Tapos pag binubuli
sila,
ka, oo,
Yun.
ilalock ka
Sa
dyan.
The Glory, di ba may ganong scene? Sa The Glory ba?
Tapos kung walang alam na nandun ka sa school
Oo nga.
overnight.
Oo.
Oh.
Oo. Yan, tsaka yung ganyan.
Oo. Pero may ganyan din tayo sa public schools. Oo. Although, yeah, this particular school does look extra familiar. Like a usual,
Di ba? Parang
Yeah.
I've seen
a usual
several
film
no?
location school.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
This I wanna see where.
Ganda niya, no?
It's giving Hong Kong.
Correct.
Kasi ang daming mga paganyan ng Hong Kong.
Yeah. Ganda niya. Parang talaga siyang zombie horde.
Ang ganda ng effect. Ang ganda ng angle.
Naalala ko lang din, ito favorite talaga ni James yung ganyang angle eh.
Oo.
Parang kahit anong MV nila,
Palagi may ganyan, oo.
spot the James Baba.
Kailangan
Ganyan.
natin
Baka that's
i-emphasize
his
na ang
best
ganda ng
side.
shape. Ano, fair and fair.
pogi kaya
Ang pogi,
niya.
totoo.
Pogi niya frontal.
Pag
How
ganito,
can you think
pero
that
yung
yun
ganito,
yung
parang
best?
hindi ako napupugian.
No.
Dito?
Pero naalala
not
ko
a lot
lang.
of people can pull off that, ha?
That's true.
He looks
Diba?
like Vernon here.
Oh my God, kaya sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako nung si Vernon yung nag-red-red.
Gusto lang sabihin na si Vernon, kung ngayon lang siya nag-debut sa generation na to, for sure part siya ng Cortez.
Correct.
As in, yun din talagang isip ko.
As
Mukha
in.
talaga siyang sixth member nila.
Oo.
Diba?
Kasi diba ngayon din, uso sa Korea yung mga cops and robbers. So maybe that's where the idea stemmed from for all of this.
Oh,
Naisip
parang
ko lang.
yeah.
Kasi it's like a huge thing there right now. Parang large-scale cops and robbers inspired siya.
Probably. That's nice. I would love to play that.
To do? Cops and robbers?
Yeah.
Ako
Noon,
manunod
ngayon,
lang
ayoko
ako,
na. Ako din, ayoko na tumakbo.
Ayaw nyo na nga mag-zombie horde. Ayaw nyo rin mag-cops and robbers.
Bakit? Bakit natin
Magbubuhat
gagawin
lang
yan?
ako ng weights. Yun lang best.
Si Mon,
Pero
gusto,
takbo.
nakakatawa si Mon. Gusto kong tumakbo, pero nung pinapatakbo ko siya sa airport sa Thailand, ayaw niya.
That was a difficult time.
Wala kasing zombie.
Wala.
Hindi.
Kailangan kasi may zombie.
Oo. Tsaka, basically, I had options then. I always imagine na pag zombie, wala kasi ang option if I wanna live.
Yes.
So, how do
Oo.
I react to that? That's always running in my head.
Oo. So, do it with fun.
Hirap.
love this though.
Sobrang lakas mga zombie horde nung last shot.
Yeah. There was a time in my life that I had so many projects na puro zombie. And it was the best time of my
it's
life.
It's that era.
Yeah, that era.
Oo, sobrang nauso talaga yung dati,
zombie
no?
era.
Oo.
And it was like dreams that came true talaga. Wala lang.
It was really made for you.
Oo.
So, nagbago ba yung thoughts nyo with the MV after second view or...
I'm still the same. I enjoyed it. Oh, it's
Nag-strengthen
fun.
lang yung ano ko. If anything, I wanna watch 28 Days Later again.
ang bitin lang sa akin. Kasi I think this is probably one of the shortest K-pop songs I've heard in a while. So, parang yun lang yung akin na parang, wow, it's gotten shorter. Paikli ng paikli. Ganun. So, but yun lang, bitin lang. But I think it was well made, well thought of, and very on brand for them. So,
I'm not so sure. To be honest, I'm not so sure if I enjoy this song so much, especially since it's so short. And then it's a little bit one-toned in a way. So, like, siguro kaya okay, nag-enjoy ako pero yung enjoyment ko sa pagpanood ng music video is because there are so many references running in my head. Pero
correct.
parang in terms of like it could have been an escalating feeling, like, you know, having a horde run after you and all that. But because ang ganun ng tono ng kanta, parang saksang siya sa akin. Like, I didn't know when it'll end, if they'll run faster, if there's gonna be a bigger bang, ano mo yun? Like, so in terms of storytelling, bitin siya for me. Parang ganon.
Yeah, well, there are more thoughts that would come out. We do have a full episode reviewing the latest album of Cortez, which is Green Green.
Yeah.
Please do check it out. We'll put the link there as well, along with all the other links that he promised that we will put here. So, magkita-kita tayo doon, Saryang Bayes, and you have core friends. Or if you, just like us, are not as young as this young
TNT.
cuckoo, but are TNTs.
Mga TNT.
Yes.
Yeah, let us know your thoughts. And don't worry, you are not alone. We are here
yeah.
for you.
Yeah, kapit kamay tayo mga beshi.
So yeah, we will see you in our next episode. This has been fun. Please share this with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and on Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter. And we will see you next week. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chagoya, and Sarang Hey.
Sarang hey!
Bye.
Bye!